Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Foodology Coleology Cutting Jelly, a pomegranate-flavored stick that promises a 10-day wellness boost, because apparently, 10 days is all it takes to undo a lifetime of questionable dietary choices. This supplement claims to support digestion and health with heavy hitters like Garcinia cambogia, chia seeds, and prebiotics. It sounds tasty enough, but we're here to see if it's actually a wellness miracle or just a glorified fruit snack. Consumers are absolutely raving about the taste, calling it fruity, perfectly sweet, and special, thanks to the addition of collagen and crunchy chia seeds. Many enjoy it as a convenient, healthy treat that supposedly helps with fat reduction and skin health when used consistently. It's basically a snack that works harder than most of us do on a Monday morning. Beyond the flavor, users love how it manages appetite and eases bloating while providing a subtle energy kick. It's so popular that people are actually subscribing for monthly deliveries, which is a bold commitment to a jelly stick. The portable, spill-free format is perfect for busy days, allowing you to get your nutrients on the go without looking like you're struggling with a toddler's juice box. The texture is a major selling point, offering a fun crunch that makes you forget you're actually taking a supplement. However, the experience isn't exactly universal. A few lucky users reported mild digestive surprises like gas and cramping. Because nothing says internal balance quite like an unexpected and urgent search for the nearest restroom. In the end, Foodology Coleology Cutting Jelly seems to be a well-loved, flavorful option for those seeking a portable wellness boost. If you're looking for a tasty way to manage your appetite and skin, this could be a fun addition to your routine, provided your stomach is on board. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more reviews coming your way, so stay tuned.